Hi everyone. Hello kids. How are you all? I hope you all are good. So once again we are meeting, right? So I am so happy to see you all once again. So are you all ready for today's session kids? Okay. So I can see all my friends joining in. There are still some of them are left. So everyone please get ready for today's session kids. Welcome to the drawing and painting session. Yes, kids. So I hope you all are having all the materials and everything for today's session. Yes, kids. Yes. So today I will be teaching you a very wonderful owl, like how to make this. I'm just showing you today's surprise, kids. You see, kids, this owl. Do you see this? Yeah. Do you know what is the speciality of this owl? His eyes will move. You see, he has moving eyes. You see, this is so cute, right, kids? Do you see his eyes can go up, his eyes can go down, and then at the sides look so cute, right, kids? So today we will be learning how to make this owl, okay? The owl with moving eyes, right, kids? So I know everybody knows about the owl. We can see the owl at night, right, kids? So today we will be just learning how to make this, okay? So it will be really very fun, kids, right? So let's begin. So I can see some of my friends still joining in. So let's wait for everyone. Till then, we are just getting ready with the materials, right? So kids, I am shifting to the workstation now. So kids, for this you need two sheets. Okay. The another sheet you can also have you can just have a stripe of paper. Okay. If you want, you can just have a stripe of paper, or else you can just have an A3 sheet. Okay. And the another one is also an A3 sheet. Okay. And you need a scissor, a sellotape. Okay. A brush, a marker, pencil, eraser, some watercolors or poster colors, or you can also use any crayons or pastels. Okay, kids, like it is not compulsory you need to paint or color the owl only with watercolors. Okay, you can use your own medium. Okay, and because I am using watercolors, so I am just taking my container. Okay, so kids, like I am using these materials for this artwork. Okay. So let's begin today's session, kids. I can see most of them have joined till now. So let's begin. So kids, first of all, I will teach you how to make the owl, okay? Okay, kids, so let's begin to draw the owl, okay? So kids, for drawing the owl, you all might be knowing how to write the U letter, right? So we will be using today the U letter, okay, to draw the owl, okay? So with the help of the U letter, we will be drawing the owl, okay? So let's begin, kids. Okay, I have I have written my U letter. You see, everybody, please write the alphabet U. Okay, yes, kids, write the alphabet U. And then we need to make two triangles at up, okay? Two triangles, or you can say lines. You can also make like simple triangles, okay, if you want. Just a triangle, okay? And then we need to make a curve. Draw everyone a simple curve, okay, for his head. And then we will be drawing two small triangles, okay? Okay, kids, draw two small triangles. Everybody draw two small triangles. And then we need to draw two curves, okay? To make the wings of the owl, we need to make two curves, okay? Draw these two curves, kids. Done with the curves? So now I will be drawing another curve, okay, here. Please draw this curve. Done? Done till this part, kids? Yes, kids, please draw. First of all, I am repeating the steps. Draw and draw U letter, okay? Everybody draw U letter. And then these two triangles, okay? Then this curve. And then these two curves. And then this is the last curve, okay? Yes, kids, do till this part. And then kids, for drawing the to draw the eyes of the owl, you need to draw two circles, okay, kids? So I am drawing two big circles to make the eyes of Mr. Owl, okay? So you see I have drawn two circles. Everybody draw two circles, kids. And if you can't draw the circles with your hand properly, then you can just take the help of bangles, okay? If you have bangles, you can just take the help of bangles or compass, anything, okay? So draw these circles. And then I'm drawing two more circles in between, okay? After drawing these two circles, you need to draw a triangle, a small triangle to make the beak of the owl, okay? So you see kids, it's so simple. Just by using this U letter, we have drawn this owl. So everybody draw this till this step. And then kids, like it is optional, okay? Now the steps which I will doing, it is just optional, okay? So now I will be just writing a three letter at top, okay? A three letter at top. Yes, kids, see, I have written this three letter at top. Sleeping D letter, sleeping three digit. So everybody write a sleeping 3 digit, okay? A sleeping 3 digit, just like this, just two curves. And then kids, we need to just draw some circles on his feather to decorate. So I'm just drawing some circles. If you want, you can also draw some zigzag lines in this part, okay? So I'm just drawing these circles now. Okay? Everybody draw the circles. And then kids, we need to decorate this part, okay? So I am just writing some small little U's, okay? U, and repeated U's. Or you can say little smiles. So this part, we will be drawing like this, okay? Just some repeated U's, okay? So kids, you see like this drawing is so simple, right? So I hope you all are drawing now. Yes, kids, please draw it properly. Everybody, I hope you all are remembering the steps. And like kids, like you can also use your own patterns if you want, okay, kids? So after drawing till this part, I will be taking my watercolors, okay, to paint the owl. I will be using my watercolors. Yes, kids. So I am starting to paint my owl. I can see most of you are drawing very beautifully. It is really looking nice, kids. Very good, very good. Please continue drawing. And there is no rush, kids. Just take your time and just draw properly, okay? So kids, now I am just using my orange paint to color the owl, okay? To color the top part, I am using my orange paint. If you want, you can also use your own color scheme, kids, okay? It is all up to you, okay? So I am now coloring the top part of the owl. And once again, kids, I am just repeating, you can use your own medium for this, okay? There is no certain rules for this. Like you can use your watercolor, poster color, or you can use your oil pastels, okay? Everybody is free to use their own creativity. So you see kids, like I have painted this part and now I will be coloring the head of the owl, okay? To color the head of the owl, I am taking my brown shade and just starting to paint this part. And kids, like it is just optional. This part, the drawing of that three digit number, it is just an optional part, okay? Like if you want, you can just skip that part, okay? So just to give some shade, I am once again using orange. So this is how I am now finishing the head part, okay? Yes, kids, please use your own color schemes, okay? Just color it very beautifully, kids. I have seen your artworks in the yellow class portal, kids. Those were just brilliant, kids. Those were just brilliant. And I was so happy to see them all. So, kids, like I am now just expecting from each one of you that at once again you will be using some beautiful color schemes to paint this too also. So you see, this is how I have painted the head part, okay? And now I will be coloring the body. I hope you all are enjoying this session, kids, because you see, it is such a new thing. And when you will show this to your friends, they will be so happy, right? They will be so jealous and they will be so happy. So, kids, like I want each one of you to make this very beautifully, okay? So, you see, like I am using my yellow shade to paint his body, okay? I hope everybody has finished their drawings and started coloring. Okay. So this is how you will be finishing the body. Okay. I am also painting the beak of the owl with my yellow shade. Okay, kids. Done with this part. Please finish it, kids. Everybody, please finish it. And then I am coloring the in feathers of the owl. I am using my yellow shade to color these circles. You can use red or green, any color, okay? So let's paint the balls, the small little circles. And also kids, you need to paint the ears also with the yellow shade, okay? Just use your yellow shade to paint the uh, ears, okay? Please color till this part, kids. And then I will be coloring his feathers with my purple shade, okay? If you want, you can also use blue in this part, okay? Either you can use blue or you can use red. It will red and blue will also look very beautiful, okay? And just make sure, like if you are coloring at that time, the color should not go inside the balls, okay? The color should not go inside the balls, right? I hope you all are loving painting, kids. And please, during the painting time, just focus on your painting, okay? Just focus on your painting. Give all your full attention only to the painting, right? So you see kids how I painted one feather. So this is how you also need to paint the other part, okay? I hope it is easy for each one of you, and the decoration part is all up to you. Now I am coloring my second part. I hope it is easy for each one of you kids. And I believe that everybody can and do a good job in this. I know that you all are very talented. I know you all have that capacity to make this beautiful owl. So do your best, kids. Okay? Yes, kids. I will be just waiting for this, kids, to see. I am so excited to see this owl from each one of you. Yes, kids. So please color well. So you see, I am now just finishing this part. So the feather of my owl is ready. It is almost ready. So kids, like I can see most of them have finished the head part. And now please start to color the body, kids. Yes, kids. I know that you all will enjoy this. I know. I know that you all are loving and enjoying this session. Yes, kids. So, like, just finish this part and then we will just move on to the second part, okay? So, you see, kids, I am done with coloring my feathers, and now I will be just coloring this eyes part with my blue shade, okay? And kids, like, you can add more of details if you want, okay? It is all up to you. Use all your creativity to make it as beautiful as you can, okay? So you see, I have finished coloring his eye part, okay? And now I will be just adding some little bit of details here and there. I'm just adding some dot kind of lines on the top of his head, okay? So that it looks more cute and more real. So I'm just adding these cute little dots, and that's it, okay? Darkening the lines a bit. Once again, I'm just giving one more coat of my black on those hues. So kids, I hope you all have understood till this part. And after finishing till this part, you need to cut this owl, okay? You need to cut this owl. And before cutting the owl, I just forgot one step. Just take your another sheet, okay? Just take your another sheet and just keep it in front of you, because now you are just going to need this sheet, okay? So kids, like, just finish coloring this owl, and then we will be going to the next step, okay? Next step is very easy. We just need to make the eyes. You just need to make the eyes of the owl, okay? And how to make the moving eyes, now I will just say you, okay? So first of all, take this sheet, okay? I am just showing you one sample, like how you can how you can cut a circle, okay? I am just showing you one sample. See kids, this is my plain sheet, right? So like, how can I cut a circle out of it? First of all, I will just make half. You see, I have made half, okay? And then after making half, we will be just like cutting it, okay? We will be just cutting a half circle, okay? So you see, I am now cutting a half circle. See kids, I have cut a half circle, you see? Yes kids. So now you see, this became a full circle. So I have just showed you how to cut a circle, okay? Using the paper, I have just showed you how to cut the circle. So now we will be just doing the same here kids, okay? So we just need to take the paper and just fold it into half, okay? In this part. And you can just take the help of your parents in this, okay kids? Like, if you can't do this part, then you can just take the help of your parents to cut this holes, okay? You just need to cut these holes. So I have just told you one method how to cut the circles. So I am now just cutting the circles kids. First I am making the half, and then I am just cutting. So kids, please finish your coloring. Till that time, let me cut the eyes of the owl. So kids, like, now I am just showing you how to cut the holes, okay? How to cut the eyes of the owl. I am just showing you, okay? You see, now I have just done this, made this into half, and now I am just cutting it, okay? So I am now cutting my first eye, and you see kids, see I have cut this part, you see? So it is really very simple. Just fold, just take the center of this circle, okay? And just fold this part, okay? See, just like this I have folded. So just fold till this part, okay? And now just start the cutting part, okay? So now I am just starting the other circle. See kids, this is the cutout, and you see, this is how we will be cutting the circles, okay? I hope you all have understood kids. Just fold the paper into half, okay? This part into half, and then just cut this, okay? Just cut a half circle and you will get a full circle, okay? So kids, you see, I have got the holes of the owl. And now, second part. We will be taking our sheet, our second sheet, okay? And just keep your first sheet over the second sheet, okay? Yes kids, just keep the first sheet over the second sheet. And then take your marker and draw 2 circles, okay, inside. You see, I have drawn these 2 circles for his eyes, okay, and draw 2 smaller circles inside his eyes, okay. So now I am just coloring this his inner part. Just finish coloring this circles, okay kids. You see, I have got the eyes of the owl, okay. I hope you all have understood this step, kids. Once again, I am repeating. Just take the second paper, okay, and just put your first paper over the second paper, okay, and then just draw these circles, okay. Clear, kids? Okay, kids? Yes. So finish it. Finish till this part, kids. Please draw the eyes of the owl. Please finish it. Kids, I am just waiting for you to finish till this part. And then I will be just showing you the second part, okay? I hope you all have finished till this part, kids. So now I will be just showing you what to do the second step, okay? So just take your first sheet and keep it at side. And now we will be just cutting this, okay? We will be just cutting this part, okay? Just a strip, kids. If you want, you can first of all draw two lines with the help of your scale. Just draw 2 lines and then start cutting, okay? So I am starting to cut this strip. Okay, kids? You see, kids, I have got this strip after cutting. Okay, kids, and just like this, you also need 2 strips, okay? 2 rectangular strips. Just cut these 2 rectangular strips. After cutting this strip, I hope you all have understood till this step, kids, how to cut this part. Yes, kids, I can see most of you have started the cutting part. So go on, move on, everyone. Just continue. Yes, kids, you all are going great. Very good. Very good, everyone. Everybody has drawn a very beautiful owl, I can see. Good, kids. Very good. I'm really so proud of each one of you kids for drawing such a beautiful owl. So now just get ready for the second step and start cutting the strips, kids. So everybody please cut the strips. And I hope you all have finished this painting part. So please, everybody just finish till this part, till the time I am just like cutting my sellotape. You just need to have, just need to cut 4 strips, okay, of your sellotape. So I am now just cutting my sellotape part. This is my first. So kids, now let me show you what to do in the second step, okay? First of all, take your sheet and just place this strip over this place, okay? Just place this strip and you can just see whether the eyes are in proper place or not, okay? And then just turn the page around and just place your 2 strips, okay, over this part, okay, over these 2 parts in the side. Just place the strips, kids. And now I will be just pasting these strips with the help of my sellotape, okay? So I'm just sticking the strips with the help of my sellotape. Please cut 4 strips of sellotape, kids. So kids, you see, this is such an amazing drawing as well as craft, right kids? You are like doing drawing and craft both in this exercise, okay? So just take your time, kids. It is such a beautiful gift. Like it can also become a beautiful gift for your friends. Like if you want. So kids, like I hope you all have understood the process and everything. So you see, I have sticked my 4 strips, okay? 1, 2, 3, and 4, okay? You see, kids? And now, like, can you see? We can just move this strip. You see? We can just move this strip. See? Up, down, left, right. It should be like placed like this, okay? So that we can just move the strip, okay? Up, down, left, right, okay? So now we are just going to see the surprise, kids. So now our eyes will move. The owls of the eyes will move. Yes, kids. So now see the surprise, kids. Okay, okay. Oh my God, my owl has become alive, kids. You see? You see? He is moving his eyes. Wow. So interesting, right, kids? So Mr. Owl is seeing left, Mr. Owl is seeing right, and Mr. Owl is seeing up and down. Oh, so he is very afraid. It seems. What will happen now? So, kids, I hope you all have enjoyed this session, right, Mr. Owl? Yeah, Mr. Owl is also saying yes. Okay, kids. So I hope you all have understood today's session and you all have enjoyed today's session, kids. So I am just waiting for each one of you to see this artwork. So I can see most of them have completed the painting and still they are on the cutting stage. It's okay, kids. Please take your time and just finish it, okay? And I hope you all have understood the instructions and everything, kids. Yes? Okay. Okay, kids. So, like, I hope we all will meet next time with a very interesting artwork, with a very interesting craft. Okay. So, kids, please practice once again. I'm just requesting you, please practice drawing, painting more and more. So it will help you more. Yes, kids. Okay. Yeah, and it is my request. Please share your artworks and paintings in the yellow class portal. Okay, kids. So I will be just waiting for each one of you. Okay. Last time I was so happy to see your artworks and I really felt so great, kids. So once again, I will be just waiting for each one of you. Please upload your paintings. Okay. Okay, kids. So bye for now. See you next time. Bye, everyone.